So guys, we're about to show you how to pick a door. So we need this thing. Making me set up. But look, first I'm gonna lock the door. Look, the door's locked. Bam, bam, bam. Click, bam, bam, bam. I can't open the door pushing it. I'm pushing. Okay. So you need, wait, the door's locked, right? See this? Look, you have to, see this thing? You have to flip this, and grab this like that. It had to be facing this way. It doesn't have to, what kind of door you have. So let me place this down. Let me place you down. If you could see me doing the thing. Hope you can. But I have to lock pick the door to do something real quick. I have to lock pick the door to do something. I have to get back in real quick. I know how much if you guys. I know how to do it. I'm professional. Sometimes it doesn't go first try. Okay, give me a second. Now let me show you. Let me place this down for you guys. You see this, see this. Can you see? Wait, let me lock the door. Okay. Making sure you can see this. I just locked the door. See, the door's locked. Okay, this right there. Oh, I'm about to lock the door myself. Now I need to get back in. Get out. The door's locked. So let's go. So this is it.
Locked it again, so you can get back in.
Yeah, I could get back in, but sometimes.
Where's that? Room?
I just did it. Look at it.
I know you can do it.
I did. They can't let me close it. So I did it. So that's all I said. That's how you pick a door. I just did it. Let's go. That's all I say. Peace out.